In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a double-page website in Carrd. Even though Carrd is designed for single-page sites, you can create a smooth two-page experience using a simple section break and anchor link. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few practical tips so everything works the first time. First, go to carrd.co and open your dashboard. From there, select the site you want to edit to launch the builder. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button and click it. In the element list that appears, choose Control. This is where Carrd keeps special elements that help with structure and navigation. Next, open the Type dropdown and select Section Break. This creates a marker on your page that you can scroll or jump to, which is what gives us that second page feel. You'll be prompted to name the section break. Keep it short and clean since you'll use this name when linking to it. I recommend lowercase and hyphens, like second page, to avoid errors. Click Done to confirm. Now drag and position this section break directly above the content that should act as your second page. Everything above the break is your first page. Everything below becomes your second. This placement is key to making navigation feel intuitive. To let visitors jump between pages, link a button to the new section. Select your button, open its link settings, and target the section break by its name. In many themes, you'll see a scroll or section option where you can pick the section break from a list. If you're entering a URL, use the anchor format with a hash, like has our second page. Keep the button label clear, such as Next or See More, so visitors know what to expect. When your layout and links look good, click Save to store your changes. If you're ready to share it publicly, publish to a Carrd site. Choose your existing domain or a Carrd subdomain, follow the prompts, and confirm the publish. Finally, view the site to test it live. Click the button you linked, and it should jump smoothly to the second page section. If the scroll feels off, nudge the section break slightly up or down in the editor until it lands exactly where you want. That's all there is to it, a clean two-page experience in Carrd using one page, one section break, and a simple link.